Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the July Summertime Sunsets box. This box is going to help you get through those long summer days. You'll be able to stretch out your legs, put your sunnies on, and keep dipping your toes in the beautiful cold sparkling water that I'm sure you're lounging beside right now, or at least you want to be like me. So we are going to jump right in. First we have the Lilac Luxe Artisan soap. And this soap was actually selected by our longtime subscriber, Jillian. She mentioned in one of our customer surveys that lilac was one of her favorite scents, so we made sure to do some development research and bring this to life. I actually used to grow up with lilac trees in my backyard, and this totally takes me back to my childhood. Next, we have our Sunset Citrus Sage Bath Bomb. This essential oil blend will have your mind racing through fields of lemongrass and oranges with sweet petitgrain, cedar, and sage in the passing wind. Pop this into your bath and your nose will feel like it's watching the most beautiful sunset. And don't worry if your bath bomb comes slightly crumbled. That's what they're supposed to do. They're super beautiful and delicate. So don't worry about that. You're not going to be missing out on any of the amazing benefits or scents. And next we have the Summer Sunset Bath Bomb. And just based on looks alone, how gorgeous is this bath bomb? Oh my goodness. Just add it to running water and watch as it creates a sunset colorscape in your bathtub. This is a coconut and almond bath bomb, and you can just sit back and relax as it brings you the vibes of South Beach. Next we have the Summer Mood Body Wash. So this smells like watermelon and mint, and the second I opened it up, it smells exactly like watermelon juice. It will make you thirsty. It's that juicy smelling, and I mean, having a bath product that smells so much like the actual like fruit is hard to come by. So you can set this aside for morning showers. That's what I recommend because the mint in it is gonna help invigorate you in the morning. The nourishing plant-based formula of this body wash improves the feel of skin, leaving it moisturized and refreshed. And you can use this in both the bath and the shower. So if you don't have a bath, you can still use this as much as you like. And if you really, really love it, you can use it in both your bath and your showers to get like all the watermelon goodness. Next we have the Natural Lavender Body Butter Souffle. So this is like dessert for your skin. So you can use it after your shower or your bath, or you can actually use it during. And what the wonderful lavender in this, as well as many other essential oils, is going to do is it's going to help to lock in moisture, because in the summer you're out in the sun, your skin's very, very warm, and you're losing some moisture. So this is going to help you actually retain that moisture and keep your skin looking gorgeous. Next we have a Papaya Yuzu Spun Jet from Spun Gel. So if you haven't used any of Spun Gel's products before, this is an infused sponge, so it's gonna help to cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and nourish your skin all in one. This is scented with citrus yuzu, which if you're unfamiliar with yuzu, it's actually kind of like, if you can imagine, a combination between a lemon and an orange. So it's kind of like a more citrusy orange. Papaya fruity notes, cyclamen, bois de rose, and sweet caramel. And next we have our bubbly mineral bath salts. These bath salts are going to help you unwind with valuable frangipani extract, as well as natural essential oils, which whisk you off to exotic worlds of fragrance. They've also added nourishing moringa oil to this, which will help your skin stay moisturized. And for those of you who chose the shower option, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just so you know, if you love pampering yourself and just treating yourself to all these goodies, but you don't have a bath, you don't have to feel left out because we have a shower option. So if you don't have a bath but would like this box, just select the shower option when you're ordering, and a shower product will be included in your box. So for this month, we have the Blooming Charm Shower Foam. This has a soft floral fragrance of white hibiscus, as well as rich shea butter, which provide an extraordinary shower experience to cleanse and moisturize your skin. And when you mix this with water, it turns into this amazing, super luxurious and creamy foam. You need to try this one out. And there we have it. So I'm sure by this point you are already convinced to pick up a box if you haven't subscribed already. So if you would like to subscribe, we'll have all the links down below. And if you have subscribed and got last month's box, tell us in the comments down below what your favorite products were, as well as what you're looking forward to receiving this month. I think I'm the most excited for the lavender body butter because I'm going to Italy in August, and this is something that I can pack with me and enjoy it throughout my entire trip. It's gonna be super hot there, so I know that this will soothe my skin and make me very, very happy. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next month for August unboxing. Bye!